Welcome, good people, again to our channel, my channel, Joel Govi Solaro. I'm very glad that you are here. Welcome to this lesson. It will really help you. It has, this is the story behind it. When I created it, I knew that it will help. It has fingers exercises, and then it has, those position, it has that exercises, and then position exercises, and then it has a lot of techniques and creativity. You can also create your own stuff from this one. So God bless you. Thank you also for people that are actually watching our videos. They are searching our videos from last year. They are actually watching them now. Thank you very much. That means a lot. Thank you for watching our video. And it's for your advantage when you watch those videos, because we have tutorials that we need those time. They can help. This is the channel where you can build your guitar, techniques, and then your guitar knowledge. So my God bless you. If you are new, just subscribe. Do not forget to like the video. Joel Ngovi Solaro. Thank you very much. Here we are. So we are just in E. This is our key. This is my key. So the progression is 1, 5, and then 4 and 5. 1, 5, 4, 5. 1, 5, 4, 5. So 4. Then the solo, what we are about to learn now. Very good, right? It's not, I know some of you are right now like, they are like, this is very hard. No, very, very easy. And then you force yourself to do also those things that are not in your level, so that you can catch up, you can grow. That's how we grow. And this exercise, I've told you, it has fingers exercises, how to position, to, those position. It has it, and then it has techniques, and then creativity. It will help you so much if you are a man who needs to grow. It will help you to even to do your own stuff from this. You can do your you will be able, after this video, I know you will be able to do your own stuff from this one. So let's go. It's so this is 1, 4, 5, 1. 4, 5, 1. It starts actually here. So I'm playing. This is 1, this is 7 and 4. So I'm playing 7 and 4. 7, 4. It's in this position, and then huh? Are we together? And then we double that position. You come here, right? So 4. Yeah, and then and then you go. This is 7 actually, yeah? So 7, 6, 5, 7, 2. Then we come here. This is 4, which I'm choosing 1, 4, and then again 1, 7, 1, 1 octave. To see where I'm picking the pick is, this hand is playing. You return here. 2, 5, 7, 7, 6, 5, 7, 2. Let's go slowly. Sorry. And then, so you will play this once, Again you start. So let us go slowly. This is the first part, And then this is the octave, 1, 1. So 2, 2. And then this is 2 octave. You slide and then the octave. After this is 5, you will jump, so you will jump this fret. 5 octave. You can play like this, or it will bend with you. And then 4, 5, 4. So are we together now? You will enter direct after. You will after. And then 5, 5, 7, 2, and then same process, and then you start. So that's the, let's go slow. After playing, and then you. Okay, and then you apply this. 1, 2, 1, 2. So 1, 2. As you can, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm playing 5, 4. So that is it, girl. It's not actually very hard. You need to learn it. Use the metronome. Go with it slowly, 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 so that you can, you can first you will listen to each that melody. You need to have the melody first in your head. It must be in your head so that when you play, you can correct yourself to say, oh, it's not matching with what is in my head and what the teacher is showing to us. So it's me. Trust me, I'm telling you, this will help you. This will help you. Why? It has exercises, finger exercises, and then those position from here to here, from here to there, and then it has techniques. Here, I'm actually applying lot of skills. Like I'm applying this, and I'm applying. They are different, very different. So these are techniques and are the things that will help you. Me, I wish you good luck and see you in the next video. Kindly watch our previous video, they will help you. And then my God bless you as you do that. Share to many so that they can also learn from this channel. Joel Ngovi Solaro. Bye bye, and I love you. Good luck. Good luck. Do not stop. Go. Do exercises. Do exercises so that you can become great. Thank you. Do not give up. Thank you very much.